Hello, my name is Sebastian Rosco and this is my Lab 4 adder subtractor. So here are my test cases in base 10, and basically my inputs, this is the left input and these are the right inputs, and basically this is the sub input, and when there's a 0 that means you're adding, and when there's a 1 that means you're subtracting. The zeros mean switch down and the ones mean switch up for the inputs as well. And here are my outputs. This neg basically represents if the output is negative or not. When it's a 0, the light is off. When it's a 1, the light is on, which when the light is on, that means then the output is negative. These are my 7-segment display outputs that should come out. And this is basically the AND basically determines if the 7-segment display turns on or not. And that's based on whether the output is valid or invalid. So over here, you could actually see the switches. These four are my A switches. These four are my B switches. This V2 switch is my sub switch. My outputs are this LED, the 7-segment, and this V2 LED, which is right next to it. So now let's try it. So we're going to move the camera a little bit higher. Okay. First, 0, 0, 0, 0. The output should be 0, which is correct. Next, 0, and these should go up. And that should be a 5. That is correct. The next one is these two go up. The sub one goes up. And 101. Wait, 1001, and these are all done. I'm sorry. This one should be 7 and the neg light should be on, which is correct. Next is this one is up, and this one is up, and this subtract light has to be off. That's 6. That is correct. So I should probably check these off as I go. All right. Next is these 3 are 1s, and these 3 are also 1s, and that should be -4. That is correct. The next one is these 3 are up, and these 2 are up. That should output a 3 positive. That is correct. The next one is these 2 are up, and this last one is up, and that should output a -5. That is correct. Next one is these 2 are up, and these 2 are up, and that one should output 11, but since 11 is out of our thing, it should be off, so that one is correct. Nothing is displaying. The next one is this one's up, and these 4 are up. This one actually displays a 9, but that's also out of the subset, so nothing should be on, so that's also correct. The next one is these are up. The sub one is up this time, and now it's these 2 are up. That should display a 1, a +1. That is correct. And then the next one is these 2 are up. This one is up. This one like that. That should display a 2. That is correct. Next one is these are up. Let's see, and these are the same. This one should display a 7. That is correct. The next one is these are up, and these are up. This one display -8. The negative light is on. That is correct. And now this one, these are up. These are up. Nothing should display because it's a 9, and 9 is out of our subset, so that is correct. And finally, these 2 are up, and these 2 are up. Nothing should display because that represents 10, and 10 is out the subset, so that means all of the tests pass. Thank you.